You can see right here that it has actually cracked the coil. I received my OEM coil, but it does not come with a boot on it. So I thought this would be a really good time to go ahead and make a video dedicated to putting a plug boot on. All right, so the majority of the time when you rip your plug boot off, it's going to look something like this, where you're going to have just a short little stub of the ignition wire hanging out. And that's really not much to work with. I mean, you can get it back together that way, but a lot of time it's not fun. The easiest thing to do is to remove some shroud that's covering it. It's real simple to do usually, and it'll give you more of a line to be able to work with. Rule number 1, do not cut on your ignition wire, because this is the perfect length for what application it is used for. So do not cut it, do not make it any shorter. Now yours is going to already have a hole in the side of it where this little metal piece went into it. So we're going to have to find out, is the metal piece still in it or is it in your boot? If it's in your boot, you're going to have to remove it. We're just going to keep, success. All right, so yours will already have a hole for this little metal piece to go in, but you might have to make a new hole because sometimes it'll be wallered out. Now I'm going to go ahead and make a new hole in this new coil because I don't have one in it to actually put it in, but I've already taken my heat barrier off. I'm going to put that on there. Also this little grommet that needs to go on there. Then we're going to make a hole. Now you want to go back as far as you think you need to on here. It's going to need to be about that far. So I'm going to make a hole about right there. I find something pointy, go right down the center of it. Now there is a special tool for this. I don't have one. I just like to use the Don't Fix. Before we put that back on, we're going to want to replace our boot back on because we're going to slide the boot back over it because it's really hard to get this part into this particular one because the hole is so small. So you can go backwards at it and put this on first and then slide the boot on, but this one I've got to go backwards. So now we're going to lube it up, make it slide on really easy. Now once we have it up there, you can actually see it poking out this large hole. You're going to want to grab your needle nose and pull it all the way through, just like that. Once you get it started, go in more with your needle nose, and it's in a pretty good place. Now, once it's in, we can slide the boot back over this metal piece. Stay in your hole. Maybe if I put some pressure on it this way. Oh. We got it. It's in. You're going to make sure that that spring is sitting down flush round where it's going to go over your spark plug tip just fine. So make sure it's all lined up and you're good to go.